Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Shazan. Today we'll start the paper discussion. WFI. Okay.
Okay.
First question: public cleanliness is considered more important for
Ma'am, how many
individuals.
questions are there in this test? 12.
Yeah, 12.
Okay.
Okay. Public cleanliness is considered more important for individual health. Do you agree? Give reason. First question. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Why?
Ma'am, can you once more show the paper code? I think I'm not done this test.
WFI TS1.
I think I'm not attending this test.
You haven't done this test?
Yes.
Okay. So, have you read this chapter?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, you told yes. Give the reason. Can you tell?
Yes, I agree. Public cleanliness is important for maintaining public health. It helps in preventing a large number of deadly diseases.
Okay. Why? Because public, what do they do? There
Ma'am,
is
there are
open garbage,
and then
right? Drainage, right?
yes, ma'am.
If we are throwing garbage on street and all that places, then water, right? Open water. It is the breeding ground for microbes and also mosquitoes and flies. Okay.
Okay. Ma'am, I've done this test now. Yeah, I remember.
Okay. Second question. Let's see. It was diagnosed that a patient has lost the power of fighting against any infection. Name the disease from which the patient is suffering from. Name the pathogen responsible for the disease.
Ma'am, the disease it is AIDS and pathogen is HIV.
Okay, correct. So AIDS and HIV.
Pathogen is HIV.
Okay, HIV virus. Third one. Let's see.
Excuse me, ma'am. I'm having a doubt in this question.
Yes.
If a person is suffering from AIDS, ma'am, it is possible that it can be treated.
There is no such treatment right now. Only we can make the suffering less.
Okay.
Third one, let's see. A lady suffering from AIDS is pregnant. What is the most likely route for the child to get the disease?
Ma'am, if she's suffering from AIDS, ma'am, then her child will surely suffer from the same due to, ma'am, when breastfeeding, ma'am.
Breastfeeding? No.
I mean, NCRT and this was answer.
Okay. And also, most likely they are asking, right?
Yes,
through
ma'am.
placenta, okay?
Through
placenta.
Okay.
Where all the materials from the mother and the baby, right? Exchanged, okay?
Ma'am, the answer which is written in NCRT, is it wrong or like it is not complete?
NCRT, written in NCRT, it is not wrong. One of the answer, okay? But this is correct one, okay?
Okay.
If you're writing for CBSE, right? That time you can write what you will write. You will write the whatever answer is given, okay?
Okay.
Or here, you most likely answer it's placenta, okay?
Okay.
There are many ways from mother to baby, the passing of the HIV, okay? It could be through the placenta, and also one more thing you said, it could be through the breastfeeding, okay? Next one, fourth one, let's see. Roshni visited her friend suffering from malaria. What are the chances of her contracting the disease?
Ma'am, she cannot. Ma'am, there are no chances of her getting infected because malaria is a non-communicable disease.
Okay, correct. Because it spreads through
that
mosquito. Fifth one.
Ma'am, rabies, hydrophobia. Fifth, part 1.
Name the disease in which patient fears water.
Ma'am, it is in rabies, ma'am. And
rabies.
Hydrophobia.
And skin becomes yellowish.
Jaundice.
Yes, jaundice and hepatitis. Okay.
Okay. Ma'am, jaundice and?
Hepatitis.
Okay. Okay.
Sixth one.
Ma'am, can you just explain once more time that how hepatitis B is like? What kind of disease it is?
There are many kind of hepatitis. It is caused by virus. Okay.
Ma'am, the one which is caused by mosquito.
Mosquito disease is malaria and also chikungunya. Okay.
Okay.
This is not caused by mosquito. Okay.
Someone told me that it's caused by mosquito.
Next one. How is personal health and community health connected?
Personal health refers to the what it is called overall well-being of an individual,
Yes.
whereas community health is the maintenance, protection, and improvement for the whole community in which individuals live.
No, the connection. How is personal health is connected to the community health?
If each and every person is like what I say?
Each and every person is healthy,
Healthy, then
that,
the
that
whole
community is healthy. Okay. Now let's see. Give two example for each of the following. Acute diseases.
cold, cough, and typhoid.
Yes, correct. Chronic.
Cancer and tuberculosis.
Yes, dispenser list. I'll use. Okay. Infectious diseases.
Chickenpox, malaria.
Chickenpox.
Ma'am, dengue is also there no for this one.
Dengue, no.
Why?
It's spread by mosquito.
Okay. And okay, I got it.
Then one more thing, coronavirus.
Okay.
Non-infectious, meaning
I'm
diabetes.
I just knew for diabetes first.
Yes, and one more.
Ma'am, one more I don't know. I just know that. One there and one more I'm just forgetting.
Goiter.
Yes.
Okay. Eighth question. Let's see. Sarah could not attend the school for a week, and her mother did not go to office for 6 months due to different ailments. Which category of disease are they suffering from? Give an example of each of the above category.
For Sarah, ma'am, she's suffering from acute disease and her mother has a chronic illness.
Yes, mother.
Chronic illness.
Sorry.
And acute illness, ma'am, it is of short duration. Example, fever, cough, and cold. And ma'am, chronic illness is of longer duration and can even last forever. Like diabetes is there, and ma'am, it takes time to develop. For asthma and lung disease, ma'am, it is there. That also. Wait, one more. Also.
AIDS also.
Diabetes also, ma'am. Yes.
Yes, cancer, AIDS, all that. Okay, ninth one. Let's see. A baby from a poor family is suffering from loose motion. Predict the first, second, and third level cause of the disease in the given case.
Ma'am, first case will be
immediate cause. What is the immediate cause?
And the disease causing factors within the body is virus.
Yes, immediate cause virus.
For the second case, ma'am, lack of good nourishment.
Virus.
Lack of good nourishment for second case.
Second case. Second. And one more?
The third one, I'm not sure about it.
It could be poverty.
Okay.
Name and give an example of each. The disease causing factor within the body. Inside the body, so it is what? Intrinsic factor.
Okay.
Factors. Okay. It could be hormonal imbalance.
Okay.
Okay. Next one, the non-cellular disease causing microorganism. Non-cellular. That means they don't have cell.
Yes.
And they are microorganism. What are they? Microorganism. Think. What are microorganism? We have bacteria. And we have what? Protozoa. Right? And what do we have?
No, I don't know.
Virus.
No.
Okay. It doesn't have cell.
But
they're not cellular. Non-cellular. Disease causing microorganism. So it is virus. If they are telling cellular, then it could be bacteria or protozoa. Okay. The substance introduced in body to confer immunity against subsequent infection.
Ma'am, I don't know. It's like I haven't done the question number 10, 11, 12.
Vaccine. Okay. Any vaccine. Vaccine are given by?
Ma'am, to boost the immunity of a person.
Yeah. First, the vaccine, right? Actually, they are weak version of the real thing. Okay.
A weak version means
of the that means they are dead. Okay. Weakened microorganism. Okay. Many types of vaccines are there. So I'm talking of one type. The weakened vaccine, what happens here is when they get inside our system, right? The immunity system, what will happen? It will fight, and it after that our immunity when the real pathogens comes, right? it will recognize, and it will kill.
Okay.
Okay, that is the work of vaccine.
Ma'am, if a vaccine is given for a like particular, like if vaccine is given for COVID-19, and ma'am, can the person be affected by pneumonia?
The vaccine is given for the
COVID-19.
COVID, right? Not for the pneumonia.
So ma'am, still the person will get affected by those type of disease.
Yes.
Oh.
Particular vaccine for particular disease.
Oh.
And some vaccine, right? The vaccine name itself, they will tell which particular disease it will affect, or against which particular disease we are immune. Okay, next one. Let's see. 10th one over. Okay, 11th one. A person is suffering for watery diarrhea, effortless vomiting without nausea, or loss of several liter of fluid takes place within hours. Named a disease and organism. Suggest some preventive avoid this disease. I think preventive methods, okay, to avoid this disease. Can the spread of this controlled? If yes, how? What is the disease? Cholera, and caused by bacteria. And the bacteria name will be Vibrio cholerae. Now suggest some preventive method. What should you?
Ma'am, that person should consult a doctor.
No. Preventive measures.
Okay.
Avoid the disease before it is happening.
Okay.
It's the prevention.
Ma'am, first of all, cholera, ma'am, it is caused by water, no?
Yes. So water, it
So,
should
ma'am,
be boiled.
Yes, ma'am, boiled water. And ma'am, like when we make something from water, we use water in chapatis and all. So ma'am, we should actually use a good like that water, purified water or some good water, so that we don't get infected by this.
And one more, vaccine. Okay, cholera vaccine. Can the spread of this disease control? If yes, how?
I mean,
yes, it could be controlled by vaccine, right? And the clean water.
Yes, that was going to say clean water.
Okay, let's see 11th one over 12th one. Mr. Iyer had cold and throat infection. Doctor prescribed an antibiotic. Which pathogen could have caused the infection? What is the mode of action of antibiotic? Mr. Iyer recovered from cold but still had the throat infection. Would the doctor continue the antibiotic further? State yes or no, giving reason.
Ma'am, what is the name of the disease which is caused over here?
Here, cold. Cold could be caused by virus, and there is also throat infection. Throat infection could be caused by bacteria.
Ma'am, it is possible. Ma'am, like virus and bacteria both are at the same time.
Yeah, many diseases can happen at the same time. Okay. So what will be the mode of action of antibiotics? Wait, before that, what happens here? So here, Mr. Iyer recovered from cold. So after he took antibiotic, he recovered from cold, but there was still throat infection. So
I think not continue with the antibiotics because ma'am, the antibiotic was for both throat and cold. So ma'am, if he continues to take for both of them, ma'am, it will not be good for him. So he should consult any other antibiotic or medicine to the doctor.
For the throat infection, okay. Another antibiotic for the bacteria. So virus, this cold was over. So next thing, for the throat infection, he should take another antibiotic. So now, what is the mode of action of antibiotic? How does the antibiotic act?
I don't know.
So what happens? The antibiotic, how does this act? It will act on bacteria, microorganism. What does it do? It will affect its activity, reaction, cell wall formation, or rhizome functioning. It will act on that. Then that microorganism will die. Okay. And the doctor, he should take antibiotic. Okay, another antibiotic. Yes, he should take for that bacterial throat infection to be cured. Okay, it takes time to heal, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Throat infection. That's all. Okay. I think this chapter will not be coming, right?
I'm not sure. WFI, ma'am, we are doing this chapter right now in my school.
But annual exam, it won't come, right?
Yes, I think because some of the chapter which we are covering in class 9 will be there in class 10, but still our portion is complete, so teachers are making us do those chapters too, so that we have a good knowledge in class 10 about it.
Yeah, that's what. So the main chapter for the annual exam, I think FUL,
And
EIS, and IFR.
Yeah.
These three chapter. Any doubt?
No, ma'am, it was well, but I'll practice more because the diagram part I'm getting stuck every time. So that is one.
Yeah, diagram very important.
Because ma'am, this time
Hmm.
these 3 terms, ma'am, no diagrams came but it might come in final exam, so I should.
Yeah, cell diagram, right?
Yes. Ma'am, mostly it comes from
Animal cell, plant cell. That diagram you have to know. And
ma'am, most of the diagrams are from that tissue and tissue chapter and that first chapter.
yeah, FUL, fundamental unit of life. IFR, I don't think there is any diagram there.
There are like basic diagrams which are used to explain just that much only. There is no like other type of diagram that we need to technically do.
Then your class over?
Ma'am, one more paper was left. No, 2 papers were left.
No. Last time NAR was over
Oh yes,
and WFI over. So
Oh.
everything is over.